Oh my God.
7 years old, and you know, are a lot
so
of
many
folks,
places you could stop.
you know, going to be rehabilitated and you know, sort of trying to like they were not there as active enablers, you know, 20 years.
What the fuck?
My God.
Yeah. Wow, that's so
Turn your lights on.
We should point out, like, we don't actually watch the nails go in. We watch them, like, lower him onto the cross, and we can see the, like, dude hammering a nail.
Still not doing it.
Right. But we do watch
Philosophy, which is
Oh.
everything that's there.
Oh,
And you're
That's
saying,
why this
and
car
this
is
what I'm
there.
afraid of. There are excellent teachers who
You can't park this, huh?
realize what's going on here. They know this is Christian nationalism.
Fun.
They know this is bullshit.
People to like sit there and read code, like this is going to be a turning point for us all. I'm feeling optimistic for the
What's the anniversary?
Real sharp.
What's the
Okay.
20th anniversary of the movie Contact? Because I saw a lot of stuff about. I think it's 25.
That's right.
94 maybe. I don't remember. But I did see several articles talking about the movie Contact with Foster and Carl Sagan. Yeah. So, hey, if you're watch something.
How dare they try to park? How dare they?
Seems like earthquakes would need a bunch of coordinates. You know, big floods, you would need a whole bunch of extra coordinates.
Right, yeah, because, like, the tsunami was in there, was on the list.
Where are you going?
That was on the list, and it happened in several different places.
Yeah,
Wow.
exactly.
Cheater.
So, but it gets even dumber, because then he notices that this new disaster with the 81 deaths is right where he is.
Dun.
And no fucking right when he is there.
Right behind me has brights on. Blinding me. Oh no, don't turn them off. Just want your low beams on. Oh, that's a great place to park. Right on Boren. Major road. All it takes is someone on looking at their phone and
Legit.
there you go. They got it. Alright. Stop rolling down my window up and down.
Actual way in which its employees responded to these documents. Instead, they say, oh, well, you know, these are just being taken out of context. So the first argument is communicate with care means just use the best practices in the industry.
Sure.
And they do this clever sleight of hand here where they cite to another slide in the code that says marking an email or document privilege does not make it so. See, notice that's not what the DOJ alleges. They don't allege that we were instructed to just click privilege and turn the product on everything. They say we were instructed to mark it privilege, copy the lawyer, and code a protection They also cite to other slides that say, you know, you can't fake the turkey line.
What they're doing here, they've successfully argued time and time again in this tremendous amount of case law they've worked out, where they say home confinement is not official custody under the bill, or back under any situation. You know, for pretrial
Very
detainees.
good.
Because pretrial detainees a number of times try to get home detention credited to their sentences, and they can't. And they can't because it's not official custody. So now they're saying, oh, but it is official custody. So what about these transfer them anywhere we want, you know.
That was where my brain first went. Was when I was like, well, how can they argue one and not the other? That's immediately where I went.
Exactly. Spot.
Deception is going to be what? Successful, right? That's exactly what a successful deception would look like. It would have you looking at all the
Wow.
things in the world and saying, this is
That was real
actually
safe.
exactly what God did. Well, that's exactly what a
That's a nice bike you got there. You're so cool. Nope, no one in the car. Them, not you.
To name me special counsel, and he said yes. And then he asked him if he had the authority to give
Fucking
me
good car.
whatever security clearance I needed. And
Fuck yeah, we will.
Oh my God.
So Obi-Wan's coming out. Yeah, no, it'll be popping. All right, so with that to look forward to, we're bringing episode
my God.
353 to a close.
If only there was a bike lane. Like the one right over here. Bang! Really? Why would you stop there when there's all that space? No one in the car. Window wide open. I don't get it. Holy fuck. What are you doing? Where are you going? Idiots. Why are people parking here? Why are people parking here? Good, good. That makes me so happy.
We don't limit the have. We do, however, limit it to reduce have.
20 minutes later.
Ha! They have towing stickers.
No. Oh, sorry, man. Jeremy, you killed a man.
Whoa! Careful! Go! It's a green light. Oh, it makes them think they can park on the sidewalk. Oh my God. Either do it or don't do it. Enjoy that ticket.
Our universe is doomed! Doomed!
Oh my god. They're straight up in the traffic lane, like not even... Jesus Christ. What is this asshole doing? What are you doing? Ride in the bike lane, not the sidewalk. Move. Move. You're in the middle of the street. Parking is right there. You got everyone mad at you. You're halfway in the bike lane and you're halfway in the street. Find a parking spot. Where'd you get your driver's license, Walmart? Fucking idiot. Idiots. Really don't care. Yay! Fuck your face. So hard. And what is this asshole doing? No. You're in the bike lane. And that asshole's blocking both the bike lane and the road. Why are people such idiots? Move. You can't park in a bike lane. You're blocking the bike lane, fucking idiot. Is that a bike? Is that a bicycle? No. Find a parking spot. Like, you could have stopped right there. Good job, idiot. Oh, it's going to be that kind of day, isn't it?
It was.